So I'm doing some appliqué at the moment. I'm using a fusible web. It's quite useful because what you can do is you attach it to fabric, cut out your shape, and then you can fuse it onto the fabric that you're going to be stitching on. So it has a twofold benefit. It helps to keep it in place, but it also helps to stop the fabric from fraying. But you need to remember, you have to stop and think about what you're doing as you're transferring your images, because you're going to have to make sure they're back to front, and so that means you need to stop and think. If you don't think, your brain just tells you to do it the way that your letters should appear. So there's my mistake there. So every time you're going to transfer your letter, I've just taken, these are ones that I printed out that because I need a specific font for this. So I've just printed it onto paper and cut out the shapes from paper, and I'm just going to use that shape to transfer this image onto here. Now the other thing that I haven't done is cut out the centre of my letters. There we go. If I turn that over, that's my A. I haven't actually cut out the centre. And the reason for doing that is to give some stability to the shape. As soon as you start having thin edges, it becomes a lot more mobile. See on this one where I've had to cut around here, very flimsy and easily moved. So I've kept the inside, and I shall cut that out afterwards once it's transferred onto fabric. I will cut it out using a scalpel. So again, I've got my capital A, that's the right side. I'm going to stop and think, and I'm going to turn it over to the wrong side. So when I transfer that across onto the backing fabric, my main fabric that my item is made from, when they swap over, they will be the correct way. So just something to remember, take your time, leave your centres if you can, and use a scalpel to cut them out once it's transferred onto fabric. And then remember, each time that you're going to transfer an image, that you need to put it the opposite way to which you need it. So I hope that helps. And right, remember to do that. It will help to save you sort of moments of frustration when you come to realise it's the wrong way. So remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's new videos going on all the time. So by subscribing, you'll get notifications that there's a new video to watch, with lots of helpful hints and tips coming up. If there are any questions at all that you'd like covered in any of the videos, do drop me a message. Always happy to be able to help where I can. So I'll speak soon.